Welcome back to the HTML series. In the last two videos, we learned about unordered lists and ordered lists. Today we will learn about description lists, also called definition lists. They are used when you want to show a word and its meaning, or a question and its answer, like dictionary or frequent asked section. Let's go and create a file for this lesson and name it description list.html. Enter and close the ordered list folder file, and let's write general structure for the HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag we have a tag, and also we have body tag. Inside the head tag, let's write the title. So title tag. So inside the title tag, write HTML. This lesson is about HTML description list. Save it and also open with live server. So now we are inside HTML description list page. So inside the body, let's add an h2 heading, and this lesson is about description list. Some examples. So let's go and study about description lists. Description lists, you're going to add a tag. DL stand for description list tag, and inside description list tag we have two more tags. So they are description, they are definition term, DT, definition term, and also another one is DD, which stands for definition description. For example, here in definition term, if I write inside the definition term HTML, so we don't know what is HTML. If we don't know, so here in definition description, inside definition description, we're going to write the definition of HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, which is the structure of a web page. So save it. Yes, here you see that where do we use description lists? Here HTML is our description term or definition term, and this one is our definition description. So let's add two more. For example, if we have DT tag, inside DT tag, for example CSS, what is CSS? And inside definition description tag, we're going to write CSS stands for cascading style sheet. So used for styling HTML, used for styling HTML pages. And let's add one more definition term and JavaScript, and definition description tag. So inside definition description tag, we are going to write the definition of the JavaScript, a programming language used to make web pages interactive. So save it. So now you know we use for the word and the meaning. So we use the description list for word and for the meaning of that word. For example, here we don't know what's HTML, so we write the HTML definition below the HTML word, and also CSS and also JavaScript. Let's go and work one more example about description list. Write DL for description list, this tag inside description list tag. Now we have two more tags, DT tag and also DD definition description tag. So before that we work with another example, let's create an heading for this example. So now we work with FAQ, frequent asked question examples or example. So inside definition term, if we have a question, for example, what is your name? What is your name? Here, and inside definition description tag, we're going to write my name is, for example, my name is John. For example, this is, and also we can add one more question, DT definition term. What do you teach? For example, if we write a question, what do you teach? And the answer inside the definition description term. Going to write DT, DD, and I teach HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. Save it, and here you can see we can use description list in frequent asked question examples as well. Here, frequent asked questions, the first one is what is your name? My name is John. What do you teach? I teach HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. That's how description lists work in HTML. Now you know all three types of lists: unordered lists or bullets, order lists or number lists, description lists, word and meaning lists. In the next video, we will start learning about tables in HTML. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.